Welcome to another course of descriptive statistics and probability. So this course, name of this course is intuitive probability for you. In this, we'll be covering major topics comes under probability and probability distributions. So just let's look back into our intuitive statistics and probability for data scientist course. So now under the umbrella of intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists, we have these four courses. One is intuitive exploratory data analysis for you, under which introduction statistics and descriptive statistics. So that's done. Once that is done, then you can move on to the next course, that is intuitive sampling and distributions for you course. In this, we will be looking into the sampling methods and sampling distribution. So this is done. So once this is done, you can visit next course called as intuitive inferential statistics for you. In this, mainly we focused on statistical experiments and significance testing with different types of tests: t-test, f-test, chi-square test, and multi-test, and many more. So once you are done with all these three courses, then you come to the intuitive probability for you course. So now we will be looking into this intuitive probability for you course. In this, we'll be covering up probability theory and probability distribution. So this is the overall a big course under which 5 more small courses were made. So intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists. So this is what the biggest course, and we are coming to an end of this course. So now we are at intuitive probability for you. So now let's look into the navigational map of intuitive probability for you. So intuitive probability for you will begin with sets and notations. In sets and notation, we will be covering up sets, population, union, intersection, subset, superset, and complement, and many more. Once that is done, then we will move on to the probability theory. In probability theory, we will be covering up events, conditional probability, independent and dependent events, additive rule of probability, multiplicative rule of probability, law of total probability, and finally Bayes rules. Then we will move on to the counting rules. In counting rules, we will look into the MN rule, extended MN rule, permutations and combinations. Then we will move on to the random variables. In random variables, we'll see discrete and continuous random variables, mean or expected value, and standard deviation variance of a discrete random variable. And also we'll look into the properties of probability distributions. Then last but not least, probability distributions. We'll see various probability distributions such as normal, chi-square, students t, f distribution, binomial, multinomial, etc. So this is what I call it as the intuitive probability for you course. So now let's begin with sets and notations.